Hello, my precious people. Greetings to you all. Today again, I share with you how to make a yummy gizzard for party. Make yourself comfortable and let's get right into it. Here is the gizzard I'm going to be using. I have 3 kilo of gizzard. Feel free to share the description box and everything I'm going to be using will be right there for you. So this is a part of the ingredient I'm going to be needing. So this is 1 full onions that I've already sliced. Scotch bonnet pepper. This is a bay leaf, thyme, nutmeg, seasoning powder, garlic, and thyme. This is a curry paste that I'm going to be using. So nice. I'll pull these aside. I have already washed the gizzards. When you are doing this, make sure it's well clean. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, because the size is large, I'll go ahead and cut it. So it depends on the size of the gizzard you are using, or it depends of the size you desire to see. So I'll cut this one 4 and 3 by 1. As I earlier said, the size of the gizzard you are using determine how you are going to cut it. Sometimes I might not just cut it when it's fresh. I also have other methods, but this is the method I'm going to be using for this. So this is how the size looks like. So after cutting, I go ahead and rinse it again because of the hand contact. So at this point, I will just go ahead, take it straight to the pot and add every necessary ingredient. First is the salt, seasoning powder. This is the thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic, bay leaf, and chopped onions. So I will go ahead and mix it thoroughly. Very important. Make sure the mixing is well combined. Once I am done with that, I will add just a drop of water. Can you see the amount of water I'm using? Very little. You can even do it without adding additional water. It will generate water when you are cooking it. It has a lot of water. Yes, gizzard has a lot of water. I will cover it and I will take it straight to the gas. So I'm going to cook it for about 35 minutes. Not really too cook, but it will still be a bit crunchy. After about 35 minutes, guys, so this is how it looks like. Can you see the liquid that is now having compared to the drop of water I added to it? I'll go ahead and strain it. Here is other great secret again. If you want your gizzard to be yummy, just add just a little, not really much, before frying. Move it around like this. At this time, I have started preheating my oil. When you are about to fry, make sure you put some onions inside the oil. It gives it some nice aroma and good taste. So because it's much, I'm not going to be frying it once. I'm going to repeat this process. So after about 10 minutes, the first batch is ready. I'll take it off and I will repeat it again and again. Can you see how it looks like? The taste is just wow. So this is the onions, paprika, red bell pepper I'm going to be using. So this is how the slicing looks like. You must not miss any part. Every part that you see on this video are very important for you in case when you are making yours. Let me use this opportunity to holler my wonderful people before I keep on explaining. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. May God bless you, grant you the desire of your heart. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for your constant support. I truly appreciate it. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Both the new and the old. Please turn on the notification bell. That is the only way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Check if you have turned on your notification bell. Do so. And also help me to share this video. Help me to put like on this video. That is the greatest way you can support me on this channel, so that other people can see it. And if you have done that, I truly appreciate. So at this point, I'm going to saute this vegetable I'm going to be using for the gizzard. Just with a little amount of oil. I'll put just a little of seasoning powder. That is all. Because the gizzard is well spiced already. I'll just stir it just like this. It will not stay long. I'll take it off. It needs to be crunchy. So this is the pineapple I'm going to be using, or pineapple that I'm going to be using. I'll go ahead and trim it down like this. You can even learn how to cut children's hair with this you are seeing. Can you see how I'm doing it? This is the same process you also use to cut hair now. When I'm doing this, I like it. Oh my God. Can you see how the head of the pineapple now looks like now? So it's not going to end like that. So once I am done, I will use this aluminum paper to wrap it, so that when the gizzard touch the body of the pineapple or the pineapple, pineapple here in where I live in Spain, pineapple we call it a piña. So if you hear me say piña, know that I'm saying the same thing. So can you see that the gizzard, the vegetable, and the pineapple that I'm using, everything is ready. So I'm going to be using this small skewer for it. So you start with the vegetable. You put gizzard, put onions. So at the ends of each skewer, you can have 2, 4, 4, 3, 3. Just depends how you want it to look like. But if you are making it for party, it can be something 3 or 4, 4. The gizzard that is going to be on it. So this is how you hang it on it. So in case you are finding it difficult to use this small skewer to place it on it, you can use a longer one to pinch the body of the pineapple, so that, or the pineapple, so that when you are putting it, it will be easier for you. And I will also be showing that to you very soon. So guys, we are going towards the end and we are almost done. Please if you know you have learned something from this video, or you even know it more than what you are watching, but you just want to encourage this person that is doing it to do more, or you want to see more of this one, please just go ahead, encourage your sister. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Just right there, you are doing it. Doesn't cost anything. Just use your hand to touch thumbs up. It goes a long way on this channel. Please do so if you have not done so. And as you are going to do that, may our God bless you for it. So this is a big keyword that I'm telling you. If you see that you are finding it difficult, you just use the big one to punch it. So you put it at the hole, it will become easier. Can you see it? So it becomes easier when you are fisting it. So even if you are to do for a large party, it's just the same process. So it's 3 gizzard or 3 kilo, 3 kilo of gizzard that I used to get this one pineapple. So I end up having each of 1 kilo. I was having about a nice stick of it. So I was having close to 58. So 58 people, roughly 60. So for 3 kilo. So if you are doing more than for a large party, so if you do something 6 kilo or in a little bit addition, you see that no matter how big the party will go, it will truly go around. So if you watch all to these parts, in fact, you are wonderful. Thank you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Please do me a favor by giving it a big thumbs up if you have not done so. And also drop a comment. Just say something. It might be long, it might be short. It's something. Share the video. It's 3 things. Share, like, and give it, and also leave a comment. Once again, I appreciate you if you watch up to this point. And I will also be appreciating you in advance for sharing, for liking. God bless you. See you soon again. Bye bye.